Daswan Basong lives in Da'a, a town in the Northern Cape province of South Africa. The 27-year-old works at the Da'a wind power project invested by China's Longyuan Power through its South African subsidiary Longyuan South Africa Renewables and its South African partners. The wind power project has been in operation since 2017. In addition to continuously supplying the local community with about 760 million kilowatts of stable and clean electricity every year, Longyuan SA has spared no efforts to help local people. It has launched a scholarship program which to date has funded 112 poor college students with excellent academic performance to finish their studies. Basong is one of beneficiaries.
Without them, I wouldn't be the person I am today or where I am today. Because both my parents are employed, I realized that they would not be able to pay for my studies. So I had to work and I paid for my own studies. But unfortunately, it took long and it was very difficult. So they helped me with basically everything I needed. Accommodation, transportation, tuition. They made my studies extremely easier than it was.
After graduating from university, Basong officially joined Longyuan SA in 2022 and became a member of its operation and maintenance team.
Of course, as Longyuan grows, so will the positive things in the community. So I just hope Longyuan grows bigger so they can help our community more.
Besides, Longyuan SA has also funded the establishment and operation of 4 preschools, 2 old age homes, as well as a groundwater project. Before Longyuan Power came to Da'a, due to limited infrastructure and transportation, the income of local residents used to be quite low. So far, the wind power project has created more than 700 jobs, which has helped improve the living standards of local people. According to Disang Moladel, municipal manager of Amthangini municipality, which comprises Da'a and 2 other towns, the project can become an example of the cooperation between China and South Africa, as well as that among the BRICS countries.
So China with technology, we believe that we are one of the best in the world. Teach us how best should we do the business. Teach us good business practices and also teach us good industrial processes. Teach us good manufacturing processes. China is very good, there's no doubt.